sure you have heard the word cookies. When you visit any website, sometimes it asks you to store cookies. So you either accept the request or you decline it. Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn how the browser cookies work. But first of all, let us see the agenda of today's lecture. At first, we will learn what a cookie is. Then we will see how to create, read, delete, and change a cookie. So what exactly are these cookies? Well, cookies let you store user information in web pages. Basically, cookies are data stored in small text files on your computer. When a web server has sent a web page to a browser, the connection is shut down and the server forgets everything about the user. Cookies were invented to solve the problem how to remember information about the user. When a user visits a web page, his or her name can be stored in a cookie. Next time the user visits the page, the cookie remembers his or her name. So the syntax is document.cookie equal to name equal to value. Cookies are saved in name-value pairs like username equal to John Doe. When a browser requests a web page from a server, cookies belonging to the page are added to the request. This way, the server gets the necessary data to remember all the information about the users. So let us create a cookie. JavaScript can create, read, and delete cookies with the document.cookie property. With JavaScript, a cookie can be created like this. Document.cookie equal to username equal to John Doe. Document.cookie is used to create the cookie. Username equal to John Doe is a key value pair. You can also add the expiry date in UTC time. By default, the cookie is deleted when the browser is closed. Document.cookie equal to username equal to John Doe. Expires equal to Friday, 30th July 2021, 12 UTC. With a path parameter, you can tell the browser what path the cookie belongs to. Document.cookie equal to username equal to John Doe. Expires equal to Friday, 30th July 2021, 12 UTC path equal to /. Let us see how we can read the cookie. So we can read a cookie like this. Let x equal to document.cookie. Document.cookie will return all the cookies in one string, much like cookie 1 equal to value, cookie 2 equal to value, cookie 3 equal to value. Now sometimes you need to change certain cookies. So let us see how we can do that. Document.cookie equal to username equal to John Smith. Expires equal to Friday, 30th July 2021, 12 UTC path equal to /. So you can change a cookie the same way as you created it. Here we change the value from John Doe to John Smith. You can delete a cookie as well. Now, deleting a cookie is very simple. You don't have to specify a cookie value when you delete a cookie. Just set the expires parameter to a past date. But remember, you should define the cookie path to ensure that you delete the right cookie. Some browsers will not let you delete a cookie if you do not specify the path. Document.cookie equal to username equal to John Smith. Expires equal to Friday, 30th July 2019. 12 UTC path equal to /. So we set the expiry parameter to a past date. Well, that is it for today, guys. We learned how to create, delete, read, and change a cookie in today's lecture. And we will learn about get, set method and an actual example of cookies in the next lecture. So till then, stay connected and yes, stay safe. Bye.